In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send from Gcash to Paymaya. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds from your Gcash balance straight to a Maya wallet quickly and with confidence. Start by opening your Gcash account on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your Gcash balance is enough to cover both the amount you want to send and any possible transfer fees. Having your recipient's correct Maya details ready will also save time and prevent errors. From the Gcash home screen, tap Transfer. This brings you to the money transfer options. Next, click Local. This section lists local transfer partners, so you can route funds to supported banks and e-wallets within the country. Now, locate Maya in the list. When you tap it, you'll notice there are two choices. Maya Bank sends money to a Maya savings account, which is the deposit account inside the Maya banking app. Maya Wallet sends money to the main Maya Wallet balance that the person can spend or cash out right away. Since we want the funds to land in the regular wallet, choose Maya Wallet. This is the most common option if the recipient asked for a standard wallet transfer. You'll be asked to enter the Maya account details and the amount. For the account information, use the mobile number registered to the recipient's Maya Wallet, typed accurately with the correct prefix. Take a second to double-check every digit and the recipient name if it appears, because transfers are usually instant and can be hard to reverse once sent. Type in the amount you want to transfer and add a brief note or purpose if the app allows one, which can help the recipient identify the payment. When everything looks correct, click Send money and follow the prompts on your screen. These prompts typically include a summary page showing the recipient, the amount, and any applicable fees. Review that summary carefully, then confirm. You may be asked for your Gcash authentication, such as your PIN or a one-time code, to finalize the transaction. Keep your phone nearby and do not share any codes with anyone. Once confirmed, you should see a success message and a reference number. The funds generally reflect in the recipient's Maya wallet almost immediately. It's a good practice to take a screenshot of the receipt for your records and let the recipient know the transfer is on the way. That's it. You've just sent money from Gcash to Paymaya using the Maya wallet option quickly, safely, and correctly.